Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to show how to rename Windows username. For that you need to go to control panel. So go to control panel and here right you can choose this options user accounts. Under user accounts right click on this user account. Here you can see these options, make changes to my account in PC settings or change your account name. You can choose this. So right now I can choose this Wiki blog. So change name. So just change it. Simple, that is changed. That's all friends. This is very simple. So you need to go to control panel and choose this user account. So you need to choose this user account and here I change your account name. Just rename it. That's it friends. This is the way you can change this. You can rename Windows username. That's all. Thank you so much friends. Hope this video will be very much helpful. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.